What are you doing? You doing the slide? No, we don't go up it, remember? You can pick grass. Where's Shiloh? Say Shiloh! You were just screaming for him. Say Shiloh! You're not going to say it now, are you? Benjamin! No, we don't go up the slide. You go over here, remember? You can pick grass. Can you say grass? Can you say grass? That's grass. Can you give the camera kisses? Can you blow the kiss?
Hello.
Shiloh! Where is he? Say Shiloh! Where's Shiloh? Say his name. Say Shiloh. I'm not gonna say it again. Say pop pop. Say ball.
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 Oh, it's a ball.
Where's the ball? Do you want the ball?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go find it. Do you know where it is? Where's the ball? You don't know. You better find it. Where do you think it is? Shiloh, you looking for the doggy now? Where is he? Alright, come here, Adam. Come here, this is where the ground gets all wet. Come here. He's not over here. Come on, Adam. No, this way. Autumn. Hey. Come here. Come on, the ground's all wet over here. No, come on. Come on, it's wet. Well, let's go. Come on, he's not in the woods. Shiloh! Grandpa's gonna get a kick out of this. Where's Shiloh? No, that's Benji. Where's Shiloh, Autumn? Say Shiloh! Can you give camera kisses? Say bye-bye. Kisses. Say bye-bye.